Hi, Claire. Hi, Emily. Long time no see. I know. How are you? I'm good. And you? I'm good too. I'm just tired. Tired? Why? I wake up early now. I go to the gym at 6 a.m. Wow, 6 a.m.? That's early. Yes, but I like it. The gym is quiet in the morning. That's true. I come in the evening. What time? Around 7 p.m., after work. Do you exercise every day? No, not every day. I come 3 times a week. That's good. What do you do here? I usually walk on the treadmill. For how long? About 20 minutes. That's nice. Then I do some leg exercises. Like squats? Yes, squats and lunges. Ugh, I hate lunges. Really? Why? They are hard for me. My legs hurt after. That means it's working. I know, but it's painful. What do you do at the gym? I start with stretching. Good idea. Then I use the exercise bike. For how long? About 15 minutes. That's good cardio. Yes, and I sweat a lot. Sweating is good. After that, I train my arms. With weights? Yes, small weights. How many kilos? Just 2 kilos. I'm still a beginner. That's okay. I also use light weights. Do you like lifting weights? Yes, I do. I feel strong. I want to feel strong too. You will. Just continue. Thanks, Emily. Do you follow a diet? Not a strict diet. What do you eat? I eat more vegetables now. That's healthy. I also drink more water. Me too. I drink 2 liters every day. That's great. I try to drink more water at work. Do you eat fast food? Sometimes, but not often. Same here. Do you exercise outside the gym? Yes, I walk in the park on Sundays. That sounds nice. I love fresh air. I run in my neighborhood. Really? How far? About 3 kilometers. That's amazing. Not really. I run slowly. Slow is good. The important thing is to move. That's true. Do you sleep well? Yes, when I exercise, I sleep better. Same for me. Exercise helps my mood too. Yes, I feel happy after the gym. Me too, even when I'm tired. Do you listen to music while you exercise? Yes, always. What kind of music? Pop music. It gives me energy. I listen to podcasts sometimes. While running? Yes, or while walking. That's interesting. Do you have fitness goals? Yes, I want to be stronger. Good goal. And I want more energy during the day. That's important. What about you? I want to lose a little weight. You look great already. Thank you, but I want to feel lighter. I understand. I also want better posture. Oh, yes, posture is important. I sit a lot at work. Me too. So I try to do back exercises. That's smart. Do you stretch at home? Sometimes, before bed. That's a good habit. I watch short workout videos at home. On YouTube? Yes, simple workouts. I do short ab workouts in my living room. How long? Only 10 minutes. That's enough. Yes, small steps every day. I like that idea. Healthy life is about balance. Yes, not perfection. Exactly. Are you training today? Yes, leg day. Oh no, good luck. Thank you. And you? Arm day. Nice. I like this gym. It feels comfortable. Yes, it's not too crowded. I don't like very crowded gyms. Me neither. I feel stressed. Do you prefer small gyms? Yes, small and quiet. That helps me focus. Do you enjoy exercising? Yes, I do. Not every day, but most days. That's honest. Some days I feel lazy. Me too. What do you do on lazy days? I go for a short walk. That's smart. Something is better than nothing. I agree. Do you think exercise is important for everyone? Yes, but it can be simple. Yes, not everyone needs the gym. Exactly. Walking is exercise. Cleaning the house is exercise too. Yes, and dancing at home. I love dancing at home. Me too. It's fun. Healthy life is not only about the gym. That's true. It's about daily habits, like drinking water and sleeping well. Sleep is very important. When I sleep well, I have more energy. Same for me. Do you go to bed early? I try to sleep before 11 p.m. That's good. What about you? Around 10:30 p.m. Wow, that's early. I wake up early, so I need it. That makes sense. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do. What do you eat? Eggs and toast. That sounds good. And coffee? Of course. Do you skip meals? No, I don't like skipping meals. Me neither. I get tired. Yes, food is energy. Do you eat snacks? Yes, healthy snacks. Like what? Nuts and fruit. That's a good choice. I try to avoid too much sugar. Sugar is everywhere. Yes, it's difficult. Do you read about healthy life? Sometimes, on the internet, there is so much information. Yes, and sometimes it's confusing. Very confusing. I try to keep things simple. That's the best way. Move more, eat better, sleep well. I like that. Simple rules. Yes, simple rules are easier to follow. Do you compare yourself to other people? Sometimes. Me too. But I try to stop. Why? Because everyone is different. That's true. Different bodies, different lives, and different goals. Exactly. Social media can be hard. Yes, it shows perfect bodies. But nobody is perfect. That's important to remember. I focus on my progress. That's healthy thinking. Do you feel more confident now? Yes, I do. That's wonderful. Exercise helps my confidence. Me too. I feel stronger inside, not only outside. Yes, inside too. Do your friends support you? Yes, most of them do. That's nice. What about your family? They are proud of me. That's beautiful. My mom walks every morning now. Really? Yes, I inspired her. That's amazing. Healthy habits can inspire others. Yes, people notice. Do you feel happier now? Yes, much happier. Why? Because I take care of myself. That's powerful. Self-care is important. Very important. Sometimes we forget about ourselves. Yes, life is busy. Work, family, problems, and stress. Exercise helps with stress. Yes, it clears my mind. It's like a reset button. I like that expression. Do you have a dream body? Not really. No? I just want to feel healthy. That's a great goal. What about you? I want balance. Balance is everything. Yes, balance in food, work, and rest. And balance in emotions. That's true. I'm happy we talk about this. Me too. It's good to share ideas. Yes, we learn from each other. Healthy life is a journey, not a race. Exactly. Step by step. Day by day. Small changes. Big results. I love that. Me too. Thank you for this conversation. Thank you too. You motivate me. And you motivate me. Let's continue this healthy journey together. Yes, together is better. Always. See you soon, Emily. See you, Claire. Stay healthy. You too.